Implementation of NAP 2020 Way Forward Haiba Hiramda Nongmagi Oiba Workshop ama Khongnang Thaba University da pangthokre. Thauramada Khongnang Thaba University ge Vice Chancellor Professor N. Joy Kumar, Manipur University ge Vice Chancellor Professor N. Lokendra amasung Indira Gandhi National Open University 𝗟𝗡𝗟𝗓 New Delhi ge Pro Vice Chancellor Professor 𝗟𝗢𝗡𝗙𝗢𝗔𝗡𝗙 maru oiba mithung sing oina sarugyaakhe. Thauramadu mari leinana 𝗟𝗡𝗟 New Delhi ge Pro VC Professor 𝗟𝗢𝗡𝗙𝗢𝗡𝗙 University asida Digital Multimedia Center hangdokna mahairoi singda khusinake. Khongnang Thaba University ge Vice Chancellor Professor N. Joy Kumar hai Manipur da mitop yaudna lamdam asida leiriba local ge mioi singna private university ama linkhataba yade khanduna Union Minister Oriba Dr. R.K. Ranjan, MU gi Professor Ibohal Amadi, MU da Linguistic ki Oza Oiramba Professor Jasobanta ga loinana Private University ama linkhatlasi haiduna linkhat khibani. Manipur da ahanba oina lamdamasida Private University ama linkhatpagi khudong chaba phangba si ahanbani. Maramdi Hauzik Manipur da University oina leiriba Private University sing ase mapandagi laklaga lamdamasida linkhatpani. Adubu Khongnang Thaba University asli local gi mioi singna semzaraga linkhatpani haina Professor Naurem Joy Kumar na phongdokhi.
Union Minister Dr. R.K. Ranjan, I Samo, the Lorena, Manipur University level Professor Ibol, the Professor Linguistic was a Joswanta. I close the private university, but you will see Paramik particularly trains education asigi yamna darkar work private university Canada but it unknown innovation PC idea ada masigi university asi legal curriculum kunang thabgi maming si lori bano hairon kunang thabasi historically we consider him as one of the most important intellectual persons we the intellectual person great thinker bane khalaba madi maming dai Kunang Thaba University and our culture. Masigi sister we are extremely grateful to the present Chief Minister of Manipur, Sri N. Biren Singh. Request over the young the primacy permission to you. This university is the only university Lambda Master Lady Lambda Master University in Kachabai Kudong from Shan. Parandi Hojik Manipur Labor University Labor Private University Mapandigi Laga Mapandi Ministry established over but whereas in the case of Khongnang Thaba University, the local missions, University.